G'day guys, so I've just finished our first of the new Dunn Watson canopy, so our prototype is complete. It's about to go off to the laser cutters. We've just got to tweak a few hole centers, but I'm just going to run through the build now. So we've got the powder coated body, we've got our 5mm laser cut roof rack. We've just got a mesh floor going into that one, so you've got plenty of tie down points available. As we work our way around, we've got the drop down ladder with our stainless steel over centers. Comes down to a real accessible height, very easy to step up onto that. We've got the platform right across. You can put 2 wheels on this, you could just put the one, you could have no wheels. It's actually quite a handy thing to step on as well, so if you were to climb up, you could actually then put your feet here or here if you're going to spend an extended period of time doing stuff on top. Something else you can throw on the back is one of the new jerry cans. You just neatly sit there. Optional extra, can be powder coated to the colour of the canopy, or it can have the hammer tone finish as well if you like. Handles operate on our Wowtail series, so you're getting the key lock, the padlock and the compression feature of the handles, so a good weather seal. Gas strut assisted, nice accessible window here. We're on the stainless steel piano hinge up the top. We've got the one fold, so any water that does manage to get through will just run down the sides, so once again we're not worried about any of the elements getting into these things. Once it's open, you've got access to the full range of Dunn Watson hardware. We can go Bushmaster drawers, we can go alley drawers. These things are designed to take drop down fridge slides. When purchasing canopies, we're open to do deals on all these things as well. Another great thing to point out is the whole canopy is built with uni-strut frame. Great thing about this is it's a really strong extrusion, but it also allows us to set floating shelves or have your adjustable tie down points inside. So yeah, a few different ways we can do it. Heaps of options on the way, including pull out benches under drawers. So if you're interested, click us an email and yeah, we'd love to quote you. They're now ready for sale, 4-week lead time.